Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So we're going to be using just a bunch of cream products for the complexion, and I'm going to be using this NYX off Tropic palette. Looks really pretty and colorful, so we're going to use that. And for my complexion, I'm just going to use cream products only. So those that have been requesting an all cream tutorial, I will be doing that with my complexion. But first, I need to prime my eyes, so I'm going to go do that with the Makeuprevolution Core Primer, which is a 98% dupe for the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot eyeshadow primer. So basically, here's the eyeshadow palette. It's cardboard. There's no names on the back, there's no mirror, and there's no names on the front. But it does have some really pretty colors in it. So I am going to set down the shadow primer with this cream colored shade, just to ensure that we don't have any skipping. And I only set from the crease up to the brow bone, because that's where I generally put the transition shades. Firstly, I'm going to start out with this sort of off yellow orangey shade for a transition color. Easy peasy. I'm just building this up. By the way, I have a giveaway video up, and that's until 22nd of July. So enter it now, read the rules. The giveaway prize is worth over 500 bucks. So get it while you can, enter, and the winner will be DM'd, and I will also list the winner on the YouTube page, so stay tuned for that too. I'm going to use the same brush. Oh no, jeez. Alright, so that shade blended out beautifully. It's super pigmented. I have no issues. It didn't skip. It's not patchy. They're super blendable, very soft, no kick up at all in the pan whatsoever. I want to take this sort of corally color and place that right directly in the crease below the orangey shade that I used previously. I hope you guys like my content. I've been feeling really weird lately, guys. Like, especially today, I'm having a super off day, and I really hate it because I don't know what's going on with me. Like, I have no idea. I'm going to take this brownish shade and just start building. And basically, I just press that on the outer corner, and then I sweep it inward. Just building up the color to about halfway. This one's not too pigmented. It's almost red, but it looks brown in the pan, but it's almost like a reddish tone, which is kind of weird. There's a little kick up in the pan on that one. This pink shade, and I'm just gonna go like right here with it. No idea what I'm doing, guys. No clue. Just rolling with it. And I hope you love it. I will try to incorporate all the colors somehow, whether it be on the lower lash line or what. I'm feeling like I want to go in with this hot orange shade. Oh yeah. This is completely dry, guys. Wow. That is pigmented as all get out. This palette is like 100% worth it. If you're a person that's a neutral person but want to experiment with fun colors and you just want, you know, a really nice colorful palette, so far this one is awesome. So that is it for the upper portion. I'm going to go put on liner, lashes, and mascara, and I will be right back. Alright guys, by creams, I mean not powders. So for primer, I'm going with my Maybelline Master Blur Stick, just in my T-zone area. So we've applied that. For the rest of the face, I'm going with the MAC Strobe Cream. As you can see, it has some skincare benefits, but it really just adds some luminosity to the face. So that's what we're looking like. Very luminous, dewy, and mattified in the T-zone. It's really great for the summertime. No surprise here, I'm going to be using the Revlon Candid foundation. It's my new favorite. I love it. It wears so well all day. So I'm just going to be applying some of that over my face. I don't need super intense coverage. By the way, you guys, I ordered this skincare system called PMD. It's like a personal micro facial or something, micro exfoliant device. Microdermabrasion device. And I used it today and I noticed a humongous difference in my skin feeling really, really soft and all my skincare products really penetrating. So if you guys want to see a video of how my skin improves over some time, let me know. I'd be happy to do that. It's pretty pricey, but I used a different YouTuber's code, and they also accept Afterpay, which is just every 2 weeks, you know, you pay a certain amount toward the total. And I was just shocked at how well it worked and how soft my skin was. And it's supposed to improve your cell turnover, make you look younger, radiant, erase acne, stuff like that. So I'm all into that. For concealer, I really like this Catrice, this Essence water resistant tattoo covering camouflage concealer. We're not going to be setting our concealer today, so we're just going to blend it out. When in doubt, blend it out. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm just going to use this purple. It's a shimmer, but that doesn't really matter. I'm just going to put it on the outer half. Wipe it off on my Cinema Secrets. And go in with this beautiful jade color. I'm just going to put that on the inner third of the eye. Well, for not knowing what I was doing, this looks pretty dang good. So I'm just going to put on some mascara and I'll be right back. Alright, so for the complexion, I'm going to be using this Nudestix Trio. So what we have here is, we've got a blush, a peach blush, we've got an illuminator, and we've got a bronzer. So this is what I'm going to be working with today. So this is the All Over Nudies face color, and this is the blush. This is the bronzer in Hey Honey. So I believe, I want to make sure, no, that was the illuminator. This is the bronzer in Sunkissed. So I'm just going to work that all over my skin. Contouring, bronzing. I want to see how easy this is to blend, to see if I can recommend this to you. So yeah, that blends super easy, not too difficult. I'm using my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge, my favorite. I could also use a brush. If it goes on the face too harsh, we are not using powder. So, but if you were using a powder, then you could just take it directly off the brush onto the stick. You know what I'm saying? But this is super easy to blend. Not having any issues so far. It's looking really natural on the face. I was concerned about the color. I thought it looked like too pink, but it's looking really nice. All right, now for the blush part, and that is Sweet Peach Peony. I'm just gonna go in, draw some circles for where I want my blush to be. Going in with a side I haven't used on the sponge and just blending that out. looks really pretty. And lastly, going in with the illuminator in Hey Honey. So we're just going to apply this anywhere we want some glow. I'm going to put some in here and on my brow bone. This is super easy, this trio, and it was only like 20 bucks, $25, I think. I'm not sure. Don't quote me. I don't remember, but for an all cream face, it's looking pretty good. So I really like that illuminator. It's really pretty. It's gorge. So this is our complexion with all cream products. This is what it looks like. I think it looks okay. Not too bad for the summertime. Easy to do. It was like super fast. For my lip liner, I went in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Lip Glide in Naked 2. And for my lip gloss stick, I'm using the NYX Lingerie Gloss in Butter. So let's see how this turns out. Ooh, it's a little pale. I don't really think it goes with this look, but this is what I have to work with. So, okay, let's pull some hair down since it wants to come down and act all crazy. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe at the end if you would like. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell at the end. Otherwise, YouTube will not notify you when I upload. Follow me on Instagram. It's ASHLEYLAMORA26. Also to notify whenever my videos go live. And I love you all. Look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.